Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cake for under 50 rupees. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, and a pinch of baking powder to help it rise. For moisture, we'll use a bit of milk and cooking oil. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. This method is incredibly easy and budget-friendly. Now, let's get to mixing. In a bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients first, ensuring they are well combined. Then, slowly incorporate the wet ingredients, mixing gently until you have a smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cake tough. Next, prepare your baking pan by lightly greasing and flouring it to prevent sticking. This ensures your cake comes out perfectly. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a moderate temperature, or if you're using a stovetop, prepare your setup. Carefully pour your batter into the prepared pan. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. To check for doneness, simply insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your delicious, budget-friendly cake is ready. Once baked, let your cake cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. You can enjoy it plain, or add a simple dusting of powdered sugar or a quick glaze for extra flair. This easy, affordable cake is perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.